Welcome back to Barnabas Gist.
Biafra Liberation Army under Ngozi Orabueze emerge. I don't know how Commander Gentle go take see this one. No, another commander for inside Biafra land. He don't read. However, we go play you the video, may you watch. But before we jump inside them, let also tell you the update of how Simon Ekpa case they go between the Nigerian government and Simon Ekpa in Finland. We go play the two video, can show you. Stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to end so that you go understand how it did happen.
Yes, good morning, dear friends. Just a quick one. Please, there is this our father that asked me a question, and that is what I am here to answer. Our father said, I don't want to mention his name. He knows himself, but I hope this message will find you well. Yeah. Asked me, please, you keep telling us that Simon Ekpa will be coming out soon. We missed him so much. We love him. We need him back. Our people are really dying. When is he coming out? I can't wait to see him. Daddy, the truth remains that the Nigerian terrorist government wrote a petition against him, including other parts of the world. There are some countries in EU that also supported Nigeria by writing those letters and submitted it to their parliament. Now, inviting our prime minister for questioning, and Nigerian terrorist government said that our prime minister is a terrorist, is financing terrorists in Nigeria and all whatnot. So these allegations were weighty allegations over our prime minister. Now, what happened was that the removal of our prime minister is to investigate whatever Nigerian government has brought to the Finnish authority. So up to today, the Nigerian terrorist government has not brought one evidence against our prime minister. And the reason why I'm repeating this is because of this our daddy. He's always on my platform, asking me questions every single day about our prime minister. So now, all these weighty allegations that they brought, they have not been able to prove one or to present any evidence to back up their claim. And up to today, our prime minister has not been found guilty. Now, the case of our prime minister, in order for him not to tamper with any evidence, that's why they restricted him completely, so that both the people that are calling for our prime minister's arrest and our prime minister detention, our prime minister removal, so that all of them would not have any reason to call the Finnish authority again. So as we speak today, our prime minister is doing wonderfully well. The Finnish authority has given the Nigerian terrorist government dates and time to present evidence. Daddy, that is why you see the Nigerian government quickly brought out some names, brought out Simon Ekpa's name and 17 other people that doesn't have anything to do with terrorist financing. They said our prime minister is financing terrorism in Nigeria and all whatnot. Number one, Daddy, our prime minister does not have bank accounts in Nigeria. Our prime minister does not have any assets in Nigeria. Our prime minister has no business doing any transaction in Nigeria. So because the Nigerian terrorist government does not have any evidence to present to the Finnish authority and to the other part of European Union and ICC, where they have been sued for months now and they have not been able to attend there, what they are doing now is to shop for evidence, anything that they can lay their hand on to bring down our prime minister. Today, they have not gotten any. So, and I keep telling the Nigerian terrorist government, I hope that message has gotten to you and you understand what I have said. If you don't understand, please still comment under my comment section and I will explain more to you, because you are an elderly man. I know what you want for yourself. So, I keep telling the Nigerian terrorist government, you see the kidnap of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, will dissolve Nigeria totally. It will destroy Nigeria. You are trying to find a way, to label us a terrorist, to bring down Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You have kidnapped what you cannot deal with. And that is why your kidnap has given birth to kidnapping in the whole of the Southeast and in the whole of Nigeria. No, everybody is being kidnapped today because you are the father of kidnap. You kidnapped our leader. And Tinubu should know that we will fight Nigeria with everything we've got. You see this kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the continued illegal detention of this our leader would destroy Nigeria completely. I'm telling you the truth. It's not a joke. You know, so many people come here to ask us questions, to ask me questions, which I will never answer you because you have an illegitimate governor. Amufu killing. Oh, that people are dying in Enugu. People are... Listen, tell your governors, our country is just 3 months old, okay? Our country is just 3 months old. Go and tell your illegitimate governor that, you know, you were shouting when Simon Ekpa was defending you that, oh, Simon Ekpa is the problem of the Southeast. Simon Ekpa is the problem of Nigeria. Now, Daddy, I might even say that it is good what is happening now so that our people will appreciate their own. You know, they say a priest is not always appreciated in his father's house. So now it is good what is happening so that you will test a little bit of what our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been shielding us from. You will test that thing that Mazi Simon Ekpa has been shielding us from. Now you can see nobody is defending the Igbos now. This terrorist government has brought their terrorist soldiers, terrorist police, terrorist Fulanis to come and, you know, unalive our people left and right. And none of the governors is talking about it. None of the governors has given press a brief about it. But when Mazi Simon Ekpa was defending you people were quick to shout, oh, Ekpa is destroying the Southeast. They will destroy you. They will label it on IPOB. They will send killers to come and kill people. They will label it on IPOB. Today, what is happening? What is happening? Where are all these animals that were shouting Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa? Where are they? Madibugo, where are you? Ejiofor, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, where are you? Animals everywhere, terrorists everywhere. Today you are shouting, oh, Orabueze, please come, oh, our people are dying. What do you want her to do? So that you people will not set her up again. For those of you who have not been following Madam Ngozi Orabueze, our Deputy Prime Minister, Her Excellency, please do so. That is the only government we have in this USB. Biafra has been redeclared and Biafra has come to stay. No one of you can bring us down again. If you think we are stupid, you think Biafrans that we have today are people that are not smart. If you crosses our path, believe you me, we are going to crush you. Anybody that becomes an impediment to the restoration and to the full restoration of this struggle will completely be destroyed. We don't care who you are. It is not when, you know, our people rises up to defend their people. That is where you call us a terrorist. And we have welcomed it. You see, that terrorist you called us. Don't worry. We will carry it out on you. You know, we gave you 60 days. The days are counting down. The last day, you will see how twisted we can be. Biafrans, our Prime Minister is coming. Very, very soon, I mean. And the Nigerians know that. The terrorist Nigerian government knows that. That is why you see them scouting for, you know, evidences, scouting for, you know, whatever they can use to send to Finland. Because up to today, they have not sent one document that contains any reasonable offense to the Finnish authority. And that is what we're going to use against them. Nigerian government is going down every day, and we will bring Tinubu's administration down. Sheyi Tinubu was sitting with Gumi the other day. None of you said anything about it. If he was an Igbo man, the whole media will carry it. And media are the biggest terrorists we have in Nigeria. Medias in Nigeria are all terrorists. All this killing in Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Owerri, none of you is carrying it because we are Igbos. We know. So that's why we need our country to be fully recognized by every world, by the whole world. Thank you, Biafrans. May God bless you all. Daddy, please, if you have not been following Madam Ngozi Orabueze, please go and do so. She will be the one that you can come and ask questions. She will put you right. Thank you. But in 2 months from now, something different will start. 2 months from now, something different will start. Thank you, Biafrans, for giving me this opportunity.
Heavy duty artillery. Ahead. Heavy duty artillery. Ahead. We move. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to Biafrans all over the world and all the lovers of freedom. I Wunde Aludo State, the Biafran Liberation Army, the Biafran Liberation Forces anyị nọ here n'ụbọchị nke taa na-ekwupụta mmasị anyị na-ekelekwanụ ndị isi anyị mmadụ dịka our supreme leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Anyị na-ekelekwa the USB government, United States of Biafra. Anyị na-ekelekwa our prime minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. Anyị echefukweghị onye dịka Ngozi Orabueze, the vice prime minister. Anyị na-ekelekwa the secretary of defense Engineer Solomon Nkwocha. Anyị na-ekelekwa the executive governor of Aludo State. Anyị na-asị mma dịrị gị. Anyị na-ekelekwa maazị onye dị USB ji na-arụ ọrụ nyere ndị defense office Aludo command. Na-asị na ozi ọbụla eziri anyị nwere ọkụ na ọ na-eru eluigwe ntị. Anyị na-asị ndị USB, United States of Biafra government, unu jidekwa ka unu ji. Mana nke unu na-eme, unu ha yikwuo the volume maka na nne ọmụnwa bụ Kọmanda Elu gburu ọchị Aludo command. Anyị sị na ụjọ adịghị ha n'ihi na mbọchị a mụrụ dike na mba ka a mụrụ ibe ya. N'afọ anaghị atụ ụjọ okpoti ihu. We are ever ready. We are ever good to go. We are ever formidable. Whatever the zoo needs is what we are going to give to them. We must for the zoo. Heavy duty artillery. Ahead. Heavy duty artillery. Ahead. We move.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please drop your own opinion and share this video as it dey hot.
Not forget to see there for Balaba Gist. As they watch, make sure they share the video.